Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add bundles on Shopify. Let's get started. In your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Apps in the left menu. Then click on Visit Shopify App Store. In the search field, type the word Bundle. You will see different options. Choose one from the list and click on it, and then click Install App. You will be returned to your Shopify admin where the app is ready to install. Click Install App. Now the app is connected to your Shopify store. The app will open in a new window. This is where you will create your new bundle. Click on Create Offer. Then select an offer from the list, and after that, select a template. You can make changes to your bundles directly in the Upsell Koala Bundles app. Here, you can set the offer block title, decide which products the bundle applies to, and adjust discount options. It is possible to create multiple tiers, such as buying one item at the regular price, buying 2 items with a discount, or buying 3 items with a bigger discount. For each tier, you can define the title, quantity, discount type, and discount amount. You can also add a subtitle, apply badges like free shipping or bestseller, and even include a free gift with certain tiers. That is how to add bundles on Shopify.